To add a custom domain in Gumroad, start by typing Gumroad into your web browser and navigating to the Gumroad website. Click the Login button in the upper right corner and fill out your account information. Once logged in, you will see various options, including Home, Products, Collaborators, Checkout, Emails, Workflow, Sales, Analytics, Payouts, Discover, Library, Help, and Settings. Select the Settings option, where you will find user details, profile, team, payments, password, third-party analytics, and advanced settings. Click on Advanced and then select Custom Domain. If you need more information, you can click to visit the Gumroad Help Center, which explains the process of setting up a custom domain, including DNS configuration, updating settings for subdomains, and custom domains for profiles. To set up your custom domain, simply type it in, click Verify, update your DNS settings, and wait 1 to 2 days for the changes to propagate. After saving your custom domain for products, you can update your settings accordingly. This process helps you set up your custom domain, and by following these steps, you can easily add a custom domain in Gumroad.